Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vespa Fix and Fun, and of course this clip is about how to take the clutch unit out from your engine. And it is as you may know that clutch is one of the part of your engine that very necessary to be in good condition. And if your clutch is worn out, your Vespa may have no power, or the engine run free because of the friction plate and the cork plate in the clutch unit is maybe worn out, and you have to fix it. And to fix it, if your engine is on Vespa, this is just to demonstrate for you in a very few minutes. You have to bend your Vespa to the engine side, take off the wheel tires, and then you can reach the clutch unit area. So today I'm going to show you how to take the clutch unit out from your engine for this clip, because you will need a special tool to work on. So let's check it out, how to take it out from the engine. So now let's see the close-up of the engine area that you will take the clutch out. The clutch unit is located on this side, near the rear wheel hub of the engine, and you will need the socket number 10 to lose it. So I'm going to show you now. I'm sure it's number 10. There will be 3. Next is to open the hubcap, and remember, if you want to take out the clutch cover from your Vespa, you need to disassemble the clutch cable also, and then we push up. Okay, and here is the clutch unit. After you take out the clutch cover, you need to be sure that the pushing unit is in place, and don't lose it to drop inside the engine, because it's very difficult to take it out. Next is to push the spring plate out. Like this unit, put together in the clutch cover, we don't lose. And next you will see that you need special tools to take the nuts out. It's called the castle nut type, which is here, which just look like this. It's a kind of adapter that you will push in the put in the socket range. I'm going to show you. Let's take a closer look. It's look like this, castle nut. And this is the adapter that you need to use. You'll see it's look like a castle top, and to attach with the socket range, I'm going to show you next. And before you're going to put the adapter to take out the castle nut, I forget to mention about there is a clip lock that they push down between the castle. You have to tap it out to unlock before you put the adapter. Okay, just push it up. Okay, it's unlocked now. So now we can use the adapter. So now I'm going to take it out. Be sure that the castle get to the grip. Yeah, let's come out. Normally this gasket nut should be not too tight like this. This is very good because when you install you need to use for a standard fixed service you have to use a torque wrench and set the Newton meters about only 45 torque, and then it will not too tight. The thread will be in a good condition all the time, but not everybody will fix with the specific torque wrench, but sometimes they just use the impact wrench and just tight as much as they can, and that one is not recommend. I will show you to the end when I want to assemble it back. So now you will see a groove side here. You will see a groove side is around and there is a groove side. In the groove there is a woodruff key, which is the connector is connect between clutch and the connecting rod, which you need to be careful when you take it out. It's upside, it's upside, it's upside, and then you take out. Then the woodruff key will not drop into engine like this. You will see it. Woohoo! Here is the woodruff key that I mentioned, so you need to be careful. So this place I'm going to leave it there, not to touch it out. And now you get the clutch unit to work on, to rebuild or fix. And that's it. So I hope that this clip is useful for you, for a person who want to start DIY on your Vespa engine. And this clip to show you how to take the clutch unit out from the engine. And next clip I'm going to show you how to rebuild this clutch unit. So wish you enjoy fixing Vespa at your place, DIY yourself, and see you next time. Bye bye.